How to turn off premium badge on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can turn off your premium badge that is displayed on your profile on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device, log into your account, and in order to hide your Snapchat Plus badge from your friends, and if you've subscribed to Snapchat Plus, other users can see that you have a subscription and it will be displayed on your profile. If you want to hide this, it's really easy to do. So if you open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner, you will see a badge next to your profile name indicating that you're a premium user. To turn this off, go to Snapchat Plus icon or this section. Scroll down until you see the Snapchat Plus badge, which is exclusive to Plus members only. So turn off the toggle. Now neither you nor your friends will be able to see the badge anymore. So that's it. This is how you can turn off the premium badge on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.